Hi kids, welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV.
Welcome back, kids! Today we're going to answer the activities to check your understanding of our lesson on the root and shoot systems in plants. Try to answer each question on your own before I reveal the correct answer. Let's get started.
Match each plant part with its function. You may also do this activity in your notebook. Let's check your answers. 1. The food factories of plants. They perform photosynthesis. Leaf or leaves. 2. It supports the plant body, transports materials and substances between the root system and the shoot system. Stem. 3. The reproductive organs of flowering plants. Flower or flowers. 4. They anchor a plant to the soil and absorb water and minerals from the soil. Roots. 5. They develop from flowers after pollination and fertilization. Fruits. And number 6, they contain all that is necessary for the development of a new plant. Seeds.
Identify the word or term being described in each statement. You may also write your answers in your notebook. Here are the statements from numbers 1 to 5. Let's check your answers. Number 1, the underground part of the plant that absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Root system. 2, the above ground part of the plant that includes the stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Shoot system. 3, the plant part that supports the plant and transports water, minerals, and food. Stem. 4, the green plant part where photosynthesis takes place. Leaves. 5, the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis. These are the statements from 6 to 10. Let's now check your answers. Number 6, the green substance found in leaves that trap sunlight for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll. 7, the reproductive part of a flowering plant that produces fruits and seeds. Flower. 8, the plant part that develops from the flower and protects the seeds. Fruit. 9, the tiny young plant found inside a seed. Embryo. Number 10, the tiny hair-like structures on roots that help absorb more water and minerals from the soil. Root hairs. And for the last numbers, 11 to 15. Let's check your answers. Number 11, the type of root system made up of many thin roots that spread in different directions. Fibrous root. 12, the female reproductive part of a flower that contains the ovary. Pistil. 13, the type of root system that has one thick main root growing straight downward. Taproot. 14, the male reproductive part of a flower that produces pollen. Stamen. And for the last number, the small part of a plant that can grow into a new plant. Seed. Read each question or statement carefully. Choose the best answer from the choices given. You may also write the answer in your notebook. Which plant part carries water from the roots to the leaves? A. Flower. B. Stem. C. Fruit. D. Seed. It's letter B. Stem. Which of the following is found in the shoot system? A. Root hairs. B. Taproot. C. Leaves. D. Fibrous roots. It's letter C. Leaves. Why do plants need roots? A. To catch insects. B. To produce oxygen. C. To make flowers bloom. D. To absorb water and minerals from the soil. It's letter D. To absorb water and minerals from the soil. Which part of the plant releases oxygen into the air during photosynthesis? A. Stem. B. Leaves. C. Roots. D. Seeds. It's letter B. Leaves. Which of the following plants has a fibrous root system? A. Carrot. B. Radish. C. Grass. D. Sweet potato. The answer is grass, letter C. Which statement best explains why stems are important? A. They protect the seeds. B. They absorb minerals from the soil. C. They make food through photosynthesis. D. They support the plant and transport water and food. It's letter D. They support the plant and transport water and food. What happens to a flowering plant after pollination and fertilization? A. The roots become larger. B. The flower develops into a fruit. C. The stem changes into a leaf. D. The leaves fall off immediately. It's letter B. The flower develops into a fruit. Which part of the seed stores food for the young plant? A. Endosperm. B. Embryo. C. Seed coat. D. Cotyledon. It's letter A. Endosperm. Which sequence correctly shows how the root and shoot systems work together? A. Roots absorb water. Stem transports it. Leaves make food. B. Leaves absorb water. Roots make food. Stem stores oxygen. C. Flowers absorb minerals. Roots produce fruits. Leaves store seeds. D. Stem makes food. Roots release oxygen. Leaves absorb soil. And the answer is A. Roots absorb water. Stem transports it. Leaves make food. Why is it important for all parts of a plant to work together? A. So the plant can change its color. B. So the plant can grow, survive, and reproduce. C. So the plant can move from one place to another. D. So the plant can produce more roots only. It's letter B, so that the plant can grow, survive, and reproduce. What is the function of the roots in a plant? A. It stores food. B. It attracts pollinators. C. It performs photosynthesis. D. It absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. It's letter D. It absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. What is the main function of the stems in a plant? A. It stores food. B. It produces flowers and seeds. C. It absorbs waters and nutrients from the soil. B. It supports the plant and transports substances. It's letter D. It supports the plant and transports substances. Which organ of a plant is responsible for performing photosynthesis? A. Roots. B. Stems. C. Leaves. D. Flowers. It's C. Leaves. What is the main function of the flowers in a plant? A. They store food. B. They support the plant. C. They reproduce and produce seeds. D. They absorb water and nutrients from the soil. It's letter C. They reproduce and produce seeds. Why do plants need sunlight? A. To grow. B. To reproduce. C. To produce oxygen. D. To manufacture food through chlorophyll. The answer is D. To manufacture food through chlorophyll. Why are seeds important to plants? A. Plants need to grow. B. Seeds are produced by flowers. C. Insect eat seeds for food. D. Seeds contain a tiny young plant that develops into a new plant. It's letter D. Seeds contain a tiny young plant that develops into a new plant. Label the parts of the plant. You may also do this in your notebook.
Let's check your answers. This is the root system and this is the shoot system.
Let's check your answers. 1. Seed. 2. Roots. 3. Stem. 4. Leaf. 5. Fruit. And 6. Flower. Classify the following plants according to the type of roots they have. You may also write your answers in your notebook. Let's check your answers. Carrot, top roots. Radish, top roots. Rice, fibrous roots. Turnip, top roots. Grass, fibrous roots. Corn, fibrous roots. Beetroot, top roots. Bamboo, fibrous roots. Wheat, fibrous roots. And sweet potato, top roots.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.